Last year we had the great pleasure to have a collaboration with the Gracious F. The experience was amazing, not only because the team, they put all the flexibility into, let's say, connect all the color concepts into our industry, the architectural and design industry, but also because the day of the workshop that we did, that it was basically how the color industry influences the design and architectural industry. The experience was amazing, not only because the team was really giving us all the flexibility of transporting the knowledge of the color industry into our own industry with our own requirements, let's say, but also because on the day of the workshop they really use all our materials to make it clear and make it closer to our customers. I would describe it as surprising because we didn't know how powerful was the science of color and how much it could enhance our culture in the interior design and architectural world.